伫咧90年代所流行的电子机，也是真侪人共同的记忆。伫咧日本东京有举办电子机30周年的特展，邀请大家做伙来看卖。
画素个性的卵伫荧幕顶切着，发出古早味的电子乐声。第一代电子机伫1996年问世，到今年要满30档。游戏公司万代南梦宫特别伫东京举办特展，回顾这30档电子机的演变。电子机是一只飞机宠物，会巴肚枵会感觉孤单，卖破病。算的人必须根据伊的需求做适当的回应甲陪伴。若是照顾无够，电子机有可能会翘起，因为游戏设计会当互算的人培养出感情。伫90年代，捌全球拢咧实行。对足侪迄阵的囡仔来讲，是珍贵的童年记忆。
I had found a Tamagotchi on the ground 100 years ago when I was a kid, when they were really hard to get and you couldn't afford them, or at least my parents didn't give me money to go get one.
有少年民众看展览，才头一摆接触，嘛会当感受到电子机的魅力。
It's cool. I think it's popular in 2000, and I think it's really cute because it's a small virtual pet and you can take care of them. I think it's cute. I wish I could get one someday.
伫过去的30档电子机游园一直咧改版，无论是创造新角色，还是甲其他品牌联名，拢互游戏变甲更较丰富，已经伫全世界销1亿粒。虽讲伫现代囡仔的生活中，已经有各种电动甲智慧手机啊，不过对真侪人来讲，照顾荧幕里细细只的宠物啊，游园是无法度取代的体验。公司新闻由派准编译。